How can I get proof of address? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get proof of address, whether you need it for opening a bank account, applying for a loan, or verifying your identity. Having the right proof of address is crucial, so let's dive right in. First, let's quickly go over what proof of address is. It's an unofficial document or statement that shows where you live. It's typically required to verify your identity or confirm your residential address for various services like banking, renting, or government applications. Now let's go over some of the most common documents that are accepted as proof of address, that are utility bills, bank statements or credit card statements, government correspondence, lease agreements, official letters from your employer or insurance companies, and mobile phone bills if they include your address. Now that you know what type of documents are accepted, let's look at how you can get them. Now, utility bills are one of the easiest and most reliable ways to get proof of address. You should simply receive these bills every month or quarter by mail or email. Simply print them out or save the digital copy. Make sure it includes your full name and current address. Next up, bank statements are another common option. You can get a bank statement from your bank's mobile app, website, or by visiting a branch. Make sure the statement is recent within the last 3 months. Government documents, if you have any recent correspondence from a government agency such as tax documents or voting registration, these are often accepted as proof of address. These documents usually come by mail, and you can also request copies from the relevant government office if you haven't received them. Next, we have lease agreements. If you're renting, your lease agreement or rental contract can serve as proof of address. It will have your name, the property address, and the duration of the lease. And that's it. Now you know how to get your proof of address, whether it's through utility bills, bank statements, or government documents. There are plenty of options to get the documentation you need. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.